Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel. My name is Niladri Mukherjee and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. I practice here in Guelph, Ontario. So the most common question that I hear these days is that what do I do if my visit visa application is stuck? So hence this video. Now please try to understand that the application is stuck is a very relative term. We have to understand how long usually your processing time should be, and if it crosses that specific time, we would only then consider your application is stuck. Now before making a visit visa application, please take a look at the IRCC processing time website. Just see how long your respective country's processing time are. Now it varies drastically varies from country to country, and the processing time really kicks in after you have completed your your biometric, provided you have submitted your completed application. So completed application along with your biometric is when your processing time starts. Now, for example, if you talk about India again, as on today, if you have submitted your application and if you have completed your biometric, your visit visa application should take approximately 81 days. Now that 81 days is not really 81 business days, it is 81 calendar days what IRCC talks about. From my experience, as I have always seen, is that for a foolproof application, for a perfectly made application, it really does not take that many days. You would ideally hear back within maybe a month or 45 days. That's what my experience so far has taught me. Having said that, it could also take the number of days that IRCC mentions, or in fact it can exceed the number of days based on your specific circumstances. Now, important point for you to here understand is that if you have submitted again a very good application or whatever that application was, even if you have submitted an application anytime before September 2021 and you really want to travel to Canada, my suggestion to you would be do not wait and resubmit the application saying that you are fully vaccinated. That itself is your changing circumstances. I have seen cases where people have applied and they have kept on waiting for these many months, and now like in this week, in the last week or so, I know a couple of people that have heard back decisions, and those decisions were negative, saying that we do not believe that you will leave Canada again under section 179 subsection 4 of the IRPR based on your purpose of visit. Important to understand here is that the purpose of visit that you may have submitted at that point in time, which may be close to 1.5 years now, is no longer valid today. So ideally, IRCC should ask for an additional document for your additional purpose of visit. But again, we all know that these guys are in huge backlog. They are doing everything possible to get rid of the backlog, and hence purpose of visit may be the easiest way to reject an application. Now, to make sure that we do not fall prey to those kind of trap, we do not make that mistake. If you are genuinely want to if you really genuinely want to come to Canada, and if you have already submitted your application before September 2021, reapply stating that you are vaccinated. That could actually save your application, and in all likelihood the officer is going to take a look at the application, will refund the processing fee of the new application, but will take the processing fee from your previous application, but will process your new application, and the existing application will be cancelled. So in a nutshell, you are not really losing anything except investing a few more hours to prepare that application, and it's all worth if you're really willing to come to Canada anytime soon as a visitor. If you need professional assistance, drop me a line, contact at nuvonation.ca. Shall be glad to connect. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.